There you go. Portsmouth and Southsea service to Southampton Central. Well, these are good to know. These are just try things in case they want it or not. There you go. There you go. Marvellous job. Marvellous job. There you go. Portsmouth Southsea to Southampton Central service. The branch line train calls up all the stations into its destination. They have one fast, which is the express one for Southampton Central, which is the GWR service, and it's the express ones on to the left. So I've got two service trains, there's some one in the southwestern. Yeah, 46 goes away.
Our annual Southwestern Railway Christmas appeal kicks off from Monday the 1st of December until Sunday the 6th of December. We are asking you all to prepare a small shoebox or just a gift for